Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we were talking about a supplement that has been popping up all over social media lately called Vapofil. Some people are calling it a game changer for men's vitality, others are calling it another supplement marketing gimmick. So today, we're going to break it down and see if Vapofil is actually worth your money, or if it's something you should avoid. So, Vapofil claims to be a natural formula that boosts virility, energy, and overall male vitality. Their ads highlight improved blood flow, increased stamina, and better performance. They also claim the product is FDA approved, 100% natural, and made in the USA. Sounds impressive on the surface, but let's look closer. One thing I noticed immediately is that there are two completely different websites selling Vapofil, one selling a white bottle and one selling a black bottle. Anytime I see the same product being sold under multiple branding, that's usually a sign to slow down and ask some questions. Now let's break down the ingredients. They list Tanketali, often marketed for testosterone and libido support. Some studies show a mild improvement, but not miracles. Horny goatweed, common in male enhancement supplements, can improve blood flow, but evidence is mixed. So palmetto, often used for prostate health, not directly proven for virility, but may support general male wellness. Sarsaparilla root, historically used for inflammation, not really strong evidence for testosterone benefits. Nettle leaf extract can help with DHT binding, which may support hormone balance. Boron amino acid chelate, boron has some data showing small increases in free testosterone levels, but nothing dramatic. So overall, these ingredients are not harmful, and they're seen often in male vitality blends. But here's the important part. Most of these require much higher dosages than what typical supplements include to show any measurable effect, and Vapofil does not provide full dosing transparency, which is a big red flag if you're serious about supplement performance. Now let's talk about what raised my eyebrows. Red flag number 1, 2 different bottles and websites. 2 different Vapofil bottles being sold online can mean private label rebranding or different suppliers, which makes consistency questionable. Red flag number 2. FDA claim they advertise that Vapofil is FDA approved. This is misleading. That FDA does not approve dietary supplements. They only regulate them. So any supplement claiming to be FDA approved is already bending the truth. Red flag number 3. No direct manufacturer listed on both websites. It's unclear who actually manufactures the product. No corporate transparency is almost always a problem in the supplement world. Red flag number 4. Limited customer reviews. Most reviews appear on their own sales pages, which are almost always biased. I wasn't able to verify credible third-party reviews on trusted platforms like Amazon, Trustpilot, Reddit, or supplement forums. If you're looking for supplements backed by stronger research, here are categories that actually have better data: L-citrulline, blood flow support, zinc and vitamin D, hormone balance, ashwagandha, stress and testosterone support. Tanketali standalone, better dosing control, Penex, ginseng, libido and energy. These are brands with transparent labels, proper dosing, and real manufacturers, which is what you want in this space. So final verdict, is Vapofil a scam? I wouldn't call it an outright scam, but it definitely raises questions. The claims are strong, the evidence is weak, the branding is inconsistent, and the FDA marketing is misleading. If you're spending your money, I'd recommend looking into more transparent, clinically supported options before buying Vapofil. If you've actually tried Vapofil or know someone who has, drop your experience in the comments below. It really helps others make informed decisions. And if you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives like this. Thanks for watching.